Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to turn on or turn off color filters on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now from the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. From here, tap on touch. Next, we scroll down and then tap on back tap. Next in here, you could choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. Then scroll down, go to the accessibility section and then tap on color filters. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now all you have to do is double tap at the back here to turn on or turn off color filters. Now you can see here when I turn on color filters, the screen can kind of go green a little bit. And that is when color filter is off. Now if you want to change your color filters, you can go into settings, then tap on back, then back again at the top here. And in accessibility, we go down and tap on display and text size. And in here, go down to the bottom and tap on color filters. In here, you can choose grayscale. You can select red or green filter, green or red filter, blue or yellow filters. And again, we got color tint right there. You can change the intensity of your color filters. And here, I can switch it off or to the background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.